Amazon Canada haul. First off, I've got a little jewelry that I got for Valentine's Day outfit. It is a 3-piece necklace set. Can't wait to wear this. And I'm redoing my home office, so I got an extension cord that has a flat plug that sits nicely behind furniture and some two-way tape for that as well. I got this beautiful long flannel jacket that comes in plus sizes. I cannot wait to try this on. And then I got some more cable management. I'm going to be doing a video on my office redo soon, so stay tuned for that. And then I got this 3x10 runner to put outside the bedrooms. It's so much softer than I expected. All these can be found under recent purchases on my storefront.